Meet Vanessa. Vanessa is a digital marketer who has been tasked to create some automated campaigns. Through the lens of Vanessa, you will see how leveraging the Acquia Marketing Cloud, your team can define audience segments, create cohorts, and then schedule data to be sent to the various systems in your marketing stack for consumption. As I switch my view, you can see Vanessa can now begin defining the audience she would like to target. Now, Vanessa is looking at any customer who has placed a transaction between 30 and 365 days, but has only placed a transaction once in the last 365 days. So we're essentially looking at first-time buyers. Your team will also have the ability to leverage a series of additional rules. In this case, Vanessa wants to target those individuals who have also had some sort of website event activity. So we are targeting those individuals who are not only first-time buyers, but have browsed our website in the last 30 days. Now, we can continue to slice and dice this audience based on any criteria we want. So for example, if we wanted to use this entire audience, but refine them by their primary sales channel, for example, are they online buyers or are they in-store shoppers? We can use that information to create further segmented and clustered audiences just by connecting the two. We can also use this for A/B testing, but Vanessa doesn't need this today. So she will add her primary sales channels, digital and physical, and use this information to further target these audiences. Maybe for digital, we are going to offer free shipping, and for physical and store, we may offer a 10% off coupon. To continue refining this campaign, I'll go ahead and define some additional content that's required. In this case, it's important we understand data like products browse. So we are passing through all the information that we're collecting across our customers, leveraging first-party data. So this is the first-party data we collected, but your team can also tie in zero-party data customers have provided to your organization, like communication preferences or product preferences. All of this can be used to further refine and make it really easy for users like Vanessa to target audiences and pick the ultimate destination where this data should be sent. In this case, we're going to send this data out to Facebook, as well as a data export for her direct mail vendor to target her physical store locations. Now, Vanessa is going to save this audience as a cohort. And this is really important because it's going to allow her team in the future to derive some really important and valuable insights around the performance of this audience and campaign. Finally, Vanessa is going to schedule this campaign. Now, I want to mention your team has some flexibility here. We can define campaigns as a one-off or even have one that's recurring as, recurring thing. In this case, every month, our campaign will update with the newest first-time purchasers. So we will schedule this out as monthly running, let's say, we'll start this off September 1st. And we're not going to set an end date. We actually want this to run in perpetuity. And once we go ahead and save this campaign, we can then go ahead and move forward with publishing the campaign. And what this will do essentially is every month, this audience will refresh. It will push all of our first-time purchasers to a custom audience on our Facebook channel, as well as drop a list to our advertising vendor. Through the lens of Vanessa, we saw how leveraging the Acquia Marketing Cloud, your team can define audience segments, create cohorts, and then schedule data to be sent to the various systems in your marketing stack for consumption. This is important because we covered how your team can use the advanced campaign building capabilities in the Acquia Marketing Cloud to automate retention and growth opportunities based on machine learning.